switch with them house with pop out on your man. You niggas be camping, keep it the rapping. Dipping the jazz, man, call me a man. Louis B. Car, but I'm standing on sand. I'm Harry Potter, got sticks for a dragon. I don't know what the fuck that shit from. Who that boy is? Got so many millions and I barely be recording. Standing in the section with my fishes, we buy raws in. 23 a walk caught in the bottom, Michael Jordan. Nigga, who that boy in? I thought you know. Red seats in the track car, I'm hopping out so woo. With B jean jersey on.
Give y'all a quick freestyle, you know. Shit, Alchemist, man. You did it again, my nigga.
We stepping out, yeah. Beats is brawling out, yeah. Got these niggas looking like Francis Wildin' out, shit. Cause he giving up stacks for the penny. You didn't wanna use the links with the man. Going through the red light like a sailor. You know what we gon' do, nigga. You know we need to play, man. Pulling up in that thing, Honda gang. You already know it's that peach thing. Gold on that bitch, so when the sun hit that bitch, it gon' glitz. You can see your boy when he dip. Please don't try to dip. Shit. Switch on the lane so quick, That's your bitch, she looking like she wanna dip so quick, I don't know why she won't talk like she didn't know about this, I'm trying to get my phone from back of the whip real quick, Yeah, back of the whip and I dip, yeah. Back in the crib and I slip, yeah. Got your bitch and she lips, yeah. She like giving her up, yeah. She wanna suck on the dick, yeah. I told that bitch on your motherfucker the crib and she sucking on dick, yeah. I told her a little bit, don't miss.
Another day, another sesh. And in this video, we gotta figure out why my key can't put the windows down anymore and it can't unlock the other side. Alright, so let's diagnose. Now, what I did go on was YouTube and they said check the fuse, so that's the first thing I will be checking. Alright, let's see here what we got. Put that over there to see if y'all can see me. Alright, so it says we got power window, right, L, power window, accessory, power window door. So that's usually I can see it if anything's blown, but that's why I'm getting nervous, bro, because I got a leak that keep coming in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Don't matter what I do. I actually feel a little bit dry, actually. And I gotta do my oil change. I figured out my heat problem, but I still gotta figure out my damn cotter pen. This shit is greasy. Man, I low-key wanna try adjusting this goddamn clutch here too. Okay, let's see. So I definitely found one.
So you guys are probably wondering what I'm talking about. Well, I smoke a lot and I have ADHD, and I forgot to mention in video that I should probably look for the proper tool. This is me finding the proper tool.
Let's try it now, y'all. Okay. So you need a 12. See, what did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? It's not a freaking 12. That shit like a fucking 14 or some shit. That's what happens when you watch YouTube videos. Do the wrong shit. It was a 14, guys. So let me just loosen that bitch. Use my fingers and then oh yeah, that's way better. See? Sometimes you just gotta put a little elbow grease and shit. There was something I was supposed to do underneath the hood, but I can't remember because honestly, I can't find where my damn my shit said. So this is how I plan on. What the fuck do you see? I'm gonna just start my car and see if I can drive and see if it feels better. What? Shut up. Nigga, that was wild. Like, the idol on this bitch jumped up and then came back down. I'm scared. I'm scared. Y'all, I'm scared. Y'all, I am fucking terrified right now. Let me just turn this shit around, let y'all see it. Okay. All right, clutch in. It's never done that before, so it's like, it's weird to me. Let me try to move this motherfucker. One-handed. I mean, it feel better though. Cap you not, y'all. We gonna test drive it. Hold on.
Oh man. Alright, so it's the first drive after adjusting that motherfucker. And I ain't gonna lie, this shit feel kinda weird, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, man. Like, alright, hold on.
I'm scared. Like when I push that clutch in, man, that shit feel different now. Like I feel like it was replaced before and they didn't adjust the clutch because, boy, this shit feel wild. We gonna see though, see? Hold on. That shit feel wild, man. Second gear feel wild.
Let's see. See, I'd have been sick if I didn't drop my window. Woo! That shit locked instant. dodge. Switch like a vibrator, it's making noise. I got a chick from a bitch doing fraud. 100,000 from profiles and cars. Mama, I'm sinning, repent to the Lord, but that Louis V jacket is tripping too hard. Some gotta have it. He with some bitches that snatching and grabbing. Fly to the nest with my person ain't savage. Can't reach in my hand like I'm feeding rabbits. How you close up with this switch with them house whip? I thought on your man, you niggas be camping. Keeping the rapping, dipping the jets, man, call me a man. Louis V car, but I'm standing on sand. I'm Harry Potter, got sticks for a dragon. I don't know what the fuck that shit from. Who that boy is? Got so many millions and I barely be recording. Standing in the section with my fishes, we bout rods in. 23 a walk hard in the bottom, Michael Jordan. Nigga, who that boy is? I thought you knew. Red seats in the track, I'm hopping out so woo. Louis V jean jersey on 3 days, that bitch still new. Plus I broke 2 bitches for 40,000 the first 2. Check at the drop and then let mama through. Switch at the car, bring the sun through your roof. Drinkers expired, I'm sipping vampire. I take leaving red on the back of my tooth. Bitch, I'm a bird, I be fly as a goose. Made that chick get a hop with the juice. Can't be with snitches, that mouth is too loose. You got a body, I'm supposed to be spooked. You the first nigga, I'm ready to shoot. Who that boy is? Got so many millions and I barely be recording. Standing in the section with my fishes, we bout rods in. No official. Oh, hey, yeah. No, I'm gonna keep this shit out like this. But once I'll take this.
Alright guys, I don't know what I did, but the junk definitely grabbing, engaging, and shifting a little bit better. But I still want to go visit Speedy Transmission to see if they can, like, I don't know, like update my transmission. You know what I'm saying? Like, my engine is fine. I want to make my transmission a little bit beefy, a little bit stronger, a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? As far as like the gears are concerned, and I'm gonna be honest, like the K series on this Accord, it looked easy. The only problem I have is I don't have multiple jacks that are 3 to 4 tons, and I don't have jack stands. I got power tools, I got impact, got an air compressor that could power even more powerful tools. I just don't have the lift, and for me, that's a problem. I really hate driving up on these bitches, but it's gotta be done. Maybe not. That should be enough. Alrighty. The thing right here. Plan on dropping my oil. Now, the oil filter that I do have on this car, it's actually a 10,000 mile filter. So I'm just dropping the oil, run it for another 5,000 miles, and then I'm gonna swap the filter on my next oil change. All right guys, so I'm underneath the car. I grabbed my little oil thing, but it's broke, so it's kind of useless now, but it'll collect most of it. Just making sure my trans looks good, no leaks, no unusuals. Looks great, actually. Looks fucking amazing, guys. So, all right, I'll just start dropping the oil now, I guess. The oil I'm using is Supertech, because oil is oil, nigga. As long as you change it when you need to change it, you're usually good. So, let me just drop this bad boy. Make sure I go the right way. See, when you use the right shit, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Now again, I'm not dropping my filter this round because it's a 10,000 mile filter. Now, Merit, I have gone, what, 300 miles over? Ah, okay. This bucket is absolutely useless, guys. It's going right on the fucking ground. I'm gonna have to get up. Look at this shit. Let me see if I can just direct this bitch somewhere else. That way. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Cool beans. Go that way, nigga. It's piston black stuff, guys. Oh my gosh. Now, if I was to change the oil filter, I would wait for all this to drop, and then I would immediately grab my tool, drop the filter, lube up the new filter, and slap the new one on. Like, honestly, I don't do what a lot of people do where they like wait. Now, honestly, I do want some of this in there because it's a little short. Fingers. Alrighty. Now what I like to do is just check to see what my freaking dipstick is reading. Man, that shit was harder to pull out than it usually is. Let's see where we at. Bone empty, good. Alright, and now I'm just gonna start adding oil. Life hack. If you wanna add oil without it spilling or bubbling out, you gotta do it like this. Let me show you. Don't pour like this. Pour from the side. Welcome to the dog family, the dog pound gang, you know what I'm saying? We got dogs everywhere, dogs backyard, dogs to the left, dogs to the right. I'm a dog myself, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just like that, y'all, from the side. You see how quickly it's pouring out? And no... Perfection. This nigga comes out of nowhere every time. And every time I'm doing shit. Meow, meow, meow. Every time I'm doing shit. I can't show you no love right now, babe. I gotta wash my hands. Gotta wash my hands, nigga. From the side, guys, just like that. Now, if I was changing the filter, I would add an additional 0.5. But because I'm not dropping the filter, it's technically good. Now, before I close that back up, I'm gonna just verify that my oil level is where it needs to be. Oh yeah, we good. Just double check again, double check. Yeah, it's slowly rising, so I ain't gonna know until I drop this car though, so let me go ahead and start it now. For about a minute or so. I know you guys are hearing that loud ass tire steering pump. I think I'm gonna take that bitch out completely. Boy, that shit scared me. I seen the paint coming off this bitch. That must have been when I pressure washed that bitch. Gotta respray that, for sure. But yeah, I like to come underneath the car and just make sure we ain't got no fucking leaks. Oh yeah, we're good. We are good. Set my oil light. So we are good for another 5,000 miles, guys. Yay. Alright, YouTube, my bad. My fucking phone died. I mean, my damn GoPro died, so I'm using the phone right now. So back to what I was asking you niggas. Doesn't the rear already look like it's been lowered? Because look, back here, I got 2 fingers right here. You know what I'm saying? 2 fingers back here. But in the front, it's a whole hand. So the plans for the car is to definitely lower the front and rear on adjustable coilovers. My passenger lower control arm bushing is busted. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You could either replace the whole control arm, or you could take the wheel off, take everything off, the brakes, blah, 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 all that, and then disconnect just that one section and then use a specific tool that presses the old bearing or bushing out, and then you can push the new one in. So I kind of want to do that, but again, I don't have a lift. I got compressors, I got power tools, air tools, I got everything except the fucking lift and a decent set of freaking jack stands and a jack. So a lot of times I got to take my car elsewhere, where if I had all that shit now, I would be able to do it in the yard. I'm actually looking for like a lift or something that is powered by an air compressor or air, you know what I'm saying? Because they say that 60 gallon can power a lift and 6 power tools. So I don't know.